biscuit packets over here which are offered to the tree. There are biscuits over here. There are bangles over here. Maybe some child that was unwell got healed. So we out of gratitude they put bangles. Here there are bangles. Today morning when I come, I seen somebody who came in lit a lamp over here. There are coconuts which are offered. So in such old heritage trees, there is a spirit, and we can't afford to lose and just let go of such trees.
नमस्कार आणि योगार. आज आम्ही सध्या परवरी आसा आणि परवरी येवपाचें कारण एकूच म्हटल्यार जशें तुम्ही माझ्या फाटल्यान हे वडाचें झाड पळयता, खंय ना खंय तरी अशी गजाल आमकां आयकूंक येता की म्हटल्यार हे जे वडाचें झाड आसा ते परवरी जो नवो फ्लायओव्हर जावपाचो आसा तेका लागून हे कट केल्ले वयतले म्हणून. जेन्ना आमकां ह्या जाग्याची डिटेल्स जेन्ना आमी स्टडी करता तेन्ना आमकां कळोन येता की हे जे आसले जे झाड आसा ते खंय ना खंय तरी कट करता आणि हेजे जे झाड आसा तेका रिलोकेट करून दुसरे कडेन खंय तरी शिफ्ट करपाचें अशें आमकां गजाल कळोन येता. त्या खातीर जे एक्टिविस्ट आहा अवेरनेस करता की हे झाड आसा ते कापचे न्ही म्हणून. खंय ना खंय तरी लोकांचें सुद्दां अशें म्हणणें आहा की हे जे झाड आसा ते खूब वर्सां जालीं हे झाडाक हांगासर आहा.
Yeah, it's definitely true because if you see what is happening ahead, the road is becoming so wide. So suddenly when it comes over here, it can't be bottleneck. So obviously this tree is going. This banyan tree is very very old. And what I always say, this flyover has been planned at least 2-3 years in advance. So we had actually enough time to plan for this tree. It is scientifically we could have reduced the crown of the tree. We could have made the tree much smaller that we could carry it. Now we don't know how much time is left to save this tree. And my only appeal to the people in power and the authorities, please don't use this heritage iconic banyan tree for firewood. Let us give it a try. Although I don't know how successful we'll be, but we have to give it a try.
सर तुम्ही कोणाकडे अप्रोच बीन जाल्या?
I don't want to mention names, but it's 1 month back I've been speaking, trying to get the concerned person to get me an interview and to say that I'm ready to help. And there's just not one banyan tree. एक banyan tree inga, then Pulyan near after little Norbert Pulyan, Aneka left, Aneka, and another big one is there in front, Damayanti Goa. So if we really were passionate about saving the tree cover, we should have started this procedure much earlier. And what I say, there are competent people in Goa who can do it. So why are we not involved? And that too when they are giving our services free.
सो जेन्ना आमी पळयता ही जी आतां जे वडाचें झाड आसा ते खुबशे वर्सां जालीं आहा आनी तेजी जी ग्रोथ आहा ती खूब व्हडली जाल्लेली आसा. मात जेन्ना आमी पळयता ते वडाच्या झाडाक खंय तरी वट सावित्रीची पुजा सुद्दां करता. मागीर हांगासर आमकां
Yes, as I say, this tree is just not a heritage tree or an iconic tree. It is a spiritual tree because it's very close to a mandir. And if you see over here, it is not. It's people's spirituality along with the tree. I can see biscuit packets over here which are offered to the tree. There are biscuits over here. There are bangles over here. Maybe some child that was unwell got healed. So we out of gratitude they put bangles. Here there are bangles. Today morning when I come, I seen somebody who came in lit a lamp over here. There are coconuts which are offered. So in such old heritage trees, there is a spirit, and we can't afford to lose and just let go of such trees because people pray to this tree. And imagine if somebody you pray to this temple and you prayed here, and this tree got and the person got healed. You're rooming away spirituality, and we can't allow this tree just to be cut and thrown into firewood. And what I say, what I right now feel, what is happening today in Mapsa and Porvorim is a murder of trees. It's just that they go and cut. I'm saying when time comes, really it is coming in hindrance. That's the time you can remove something. But I don't like, and I can't bear to see they're just coming on a Sunday, and Monday when you come, it is just gone. It's not right. Why are you doing it in such a hurry? And I'm giving an open challenge to everybody. The amount of trees that are cut and the amount of trees that will be planted, I will write in blood that not 5% of these trees which are going to be planted will reach the maturity of the Mapsa Porvorim trees, that tree cover that's been lost. Because nobody cares, I've seen. I only appeal to the people who are in power and people who have got authorities. Please help us to call for a meeting and see how best we can do something to save this tree. I would like to make it very clear that I'm not against the development. I am for development because it makes everybody's life easy, but it has to be scientifically planned and proper way has to done. So I'm not against the development. I am for development, but same time, please look after the tree cover of Goa and what is happening.
तर आम्ही आता डॅनियला कडच्यान ऐकलेत तर डॅनियल म्हणटा की आम्ही डेव्हलपमेंटा अगेन्स्ट ना मात जेन्ना डेव्हलपमेंट पर्यावरणाक हानी करून डेव्हलपमेंट करता तेन्ना आमी तेजे कडेन आमकां ती खंय ना खंय तरी ती गजाल खटकता. स्टुडंटा खातीर परवरच्यान साई मांद्रे.